So today we are going to talk about what is the difference between on account of and because of. We are having two prepositions, you can say, or because of. One is because of, and the second one is the first one, and the another one is on account of. What is the second one? On account of. On account of. We are having these two prepositions, you can say, or you can say whatsoever. Because of, on account, they do the same exact meaning. They do exactly what meaning is की वजह से या के बायस से या this do in Urdu की वजह से के बायस से. I didn't come to school. Now you will ask why you didn't come to school. I will say because of bad weather. If I say on account of bad weather, or if you say, for example, I will not come. I will not come to your party. Now my friend will say, why will you not come to the party? I will say, I will not come to the party because of my enmity. Yeah, because we are expressing reason or motives through these words. So now this view meaning Urdu की वजह से या के bias. So these two words shows in simple definition you just say by reason of somebody or someone, right? Reason of someone or somebody. Somebody. It is the meaning in English, but they both the same meaning in Urdu की वजह से या के bias से, but there is the difference between in usage. Because of on account of doing the same thing in Urdu, and it means that by reason of somebody or something or someone. So the word has something. But so what is the real difference between on account of and because of? Real difference is on usage. Their difference is only in usage. So because of is used with the person, it is used with person and thing as well. Thing as well. Person and thing, but this on account of is only used with thing, not person. Not person. It is only used with thing, not with person, but because of is used with person as well, thing as well. If I say I will not conduct a test. I will not conduct the test. I am saying to sir, I will not conduct the test tomorrow, or after 1 month. Sir will ask the reason. Why will you not conduct the test or the paper or the exam? So I will express the reason through these two words. I will say because of what? Because of my friend. Yeah, you can say because of you can say because of my friends. Now see, because of my friends, I will not conduct the test because they have prepared very well themselves. I did not prepare myself, so I am unable to conduct the test. That's why I will not come. Yeah, I will not conduct the test. So word here after because of I have used what? Someone. Yet my friend. These are person. So it is correct. If I say because of money, it means that I am not having the money to buy pen, marker, or whatsoever. But if I say I did not come. I didn't conduct I didn't play I didn't play on account of good players. Now over here I did not play. Why? Reason on account of good players. अच्छे players की वजह से उर्दू में say like this. But I said on account of is used with thing, not with person. Where here I use person. Now what are the players? Players are a person, not a robot or something else. So over here it is incorrect. It can only be used with thing. The exact sentence in the place of this sentence will be like this. I didn't play because of good players, because of is used with person, thing as well, but on account of is only used with thing, not with person. So over here, I didn't play because of good players. Or you can say, I did not play on account of not having the shirts or shoes or whatsoever.